Okay, number
Wow.
5 is how will I get more retail customers?
Oh,
So we are now getting into more usual questions, right? How I will get more retail customer by simply um making yourself uh, master the skills of retailing. So if you don't have the skills in selling, definitely it will be very challenging for you. But let me start it with a baseline. The reason why our company is always telling us to use the products first, it's because for you to gain confidence. Okay, once you gain confidence, it will be easier for you to get different customers. So you will start it from your warm market. Warm market, these are people whom known to you. Like for example, your parents, brother, sister, cousins, friends. These are your warm market. And then if you're new in the business, definitely these are your first target market, your warm customers. So how about if you don't have that confidence? Just like what I said, if you didn't use the products, you are not carrying that belief. Okay, you have to carry that belief that these products are good and it will be also good for them. So if you have that kind of confidence, it will be easier for you to close a deal because your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, it will be easier for them to say yes to you
yeah.
because you have your own testimony. But it will be hard for you to get retail customers even from your warm market if you didn't even understand the value of using the products to
True.
become the first customer. Okay? So this is something that very crucial because you are just starting the business. But if you are someone who have oozing confidence, belief system, and has sales background, maybe you can get like, of course, retail customers. But if you're new in this kind of industry, you're not into selling previously, I would recommend you to use the products first. So at least you will get this confidence. How about you, Apply?
For me, okay, nowadays, before when I started, it was actually the physical result. Okay, okay, right now in a current situation, it is social media that is our access for people to see us.
Yeah.
But back in the days, 12 years ago, we have to be physically out to show
Mhm.
people that we are part of this company. So for me, my experience, it was the weight loss program that was actually very relevant to my success. How? Because people see the change in my husband's weight. He actually used the Clean and program and he lost a lot of weight and become fit. And then people saw it. Okay. Then it created noise in the community. That is how my retail business started. And then my personal testimony also was also very strong. My pimples got out from my face. I got better skin. And then those of the physical attributes of the product results generated curiousness in the community. Then I started to talk about it because it's my personal testimony. So it becomes very effective. And also, I'm very careful in listening to other people's testimony, product testimony. So I borrow some testimony from others and share it to the community, to the people I talk to. And then later on, you will understand that a lot of information is given up to from your friends who got serious results from the business. For me, it's really the information gathering that allowed me to enjoy my retail business. Why wine? Because first, I expose myself to the public, to the community. I make sure people know that I am aloe vera. Okay? And then when people know that you are aloe vera, people will come to you and will ask you, and then that will start a spark in your retail business. So now if you're in social media, people should know that you are aloe vera. Yeah, that's basically it. And if you are in a close community in your country, then let the neighbors know what you drink, what you take, what you use. So we shifted from brand X to Forever Living products. So whatever is available in our company, we seriously and loyally use the products, okay, instead of buying products from the other companies. So for example, our toothpaste from day one is Forever. All right. Our deodorant is forever. Our vitamins is forever. So make sure, like Wine was saying, use the products so that you have an actual testimony to share. Okay, that's it. I think that is very powerful.
Yes, and just in addition to that, since we have social media, so why don't you create some curiosity to
Yeah.
your audience, right? So since most of us we are under lockdown or maybe cannot be able to go outside, so use the power of social media to create something, create some videos or something like wherein you can able to show yourself taking the aloe vera gel and
Yeah,
then show it to
something
people, right?
exposure. Just make an exposure about the brand and yourself.
All right. So let's move to the next.